So the first examples that we look at here as we start to transition into some word problems are some problems where we're given an algebraic phrase written in English, and we have to translate that over to something involving algebra. So we read the directions here. Let n be the unknown number. We want to translate each phrase into an algebraic expression. And so we're given 5 times a number increased by 8. So we go back and we realize, well, times, that means we want to multiply. So 5 times our number, so we can just write down 5n, because remember, when a number is next to a variable, that means multiplication. So 5 times n would be 5n, and then that thing is increased by 8. Increased by means add, increased by 8. That comma right there is actually very important, because if we take that comma out and read this as 5 times a number increased by 8, then the 5 is actually being multiplied times a number increased by 8. Or at least we would have that possibility. The comma makes it clear, though, here that the 5 times a number is separated from the addition. So it happens first, then we're increased by 8. Okay, let's consider part B here. 4 less than twice a number. This is the one I mentioned before, the subtraction one. Less than means you're going to be taking the 4 there away from twice a number. Away from twice a number. So that means the first thing we're going to write down is twice a number. 2n. And it's 4 less than, so we're going to be taking 4 away from that. We're going to be taking 4 away from that. Okay, so these two examples here involve coming up with an expression given a statement. The next examples, ones we'll look at in the next video, are going to go one step further, where we have to actually write an equation. And then we'll be ready to start getting into the full-blown word problems.